Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see from the packaging, it's from SKX Mod. So SKX Mod is a company that specializes in making mods and complete builds. So you have mods for the Royal Oak, the Casio Oak, sorry, and the Casio Casino Royale chronograph, or not chronograph, World Timer actually. And they even do complete builds. So what I did is I talked to the guys there, and I really liked this bronze Casino Royale one, and yeah, and I talked to them and I told them I really want it, but I really want this FKM strap with it if they can do that, and I bought it then directly, and actually they sent it with a standard shipping, which was delivered in 1 week, which I think is really great. So let me open the box. So as you can see, what you get here is a tools and kit with the watch that you ordered. So you get some gaskets, you get the screwdrivers that you need, which I'm really thankful for because they're really nice, and you get even a plastic tweezer, as you can see, and some spring bars, and these are the screws for the case. So that's what you get, and inside also the watch where it was built. So here we have this SKX mod build number 8, which comes with this textile strap. That's why I wanted this FKM with it. And as you can see, we have a normal AE 1200 WH module inside. Let me get this off. And you have a bronze case. So a bronze case that is 42.2 millimeters in diameter, which I think it's a little bit big if you measure it from here, around 44. But lug to lug is also 45 millimeters. Thickness 13 millimeters, and strap width is 18 millimeters. So you get the full functionality of the Casio Casino Royale module. So you have 4 time zones, 4 cities that you can have on the screen. You have the world time with over 31 time zones, and you have a 5 alarm function, so 5 alarms, and of course you have a timer, backlight I just showed you, and you have also a stopwatch with 100ths of a second and 2 actually time elapses, so you can choose 2 times. You can stop, then you can say split, and then again. And as you can see, we have here a small depiction of the world, and you have a analog timekeeping on the left hand side in the above diagram. You have also a sapphire crystal, which I think is awesome. And as you can see, the build of the case, you have a normal case back from the module. They also do other case backs, they do other cases, they do other metals, stainless steel. I think they have even titanium, if I'm not mistaken. They do have also carbon looking ones, or DLC ones, and I think they offer really cool functionality for this watch, because I've always loved this Casio watch, and I always said this is by far the one that I would say, if you get only one watch and you have to live with it your whole life, this would be a perfect watch, to be honest. And with this case now, that is not plastic, is metal. As you can see, this one is bronze, but you have other metal cases to choose from. I think it makes the watch even more wearable and even looks even much better. Let me put on the FKN straps that SKX Mod was kind enough to send free of charge with the watch. And I think with these ones it would look even much better. So on the FKN strap on my 17.2 centimeter wrists, this is how it will look like. So as you can see, no, the FKN strap is so big it just goes from the other side, and I cannot even. I hate this flapping. I'm a huge. This is a huge turn off for me. This flapping. So maybe I'll go back to the other strap, or I'll put on it another strap. Yeah. Anyways, this is just the unboxing of the watch. I'll test it out, tell you guys what I think. So if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. As always, this invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. And don't forget, if you don't have a Casio Royale, I'll definitely recommend you to get one, and then check out the mod kits if you like this kind of stuff, modding, or if you want to have a complete build, you can just write them and they do the build for you. And I'll leave the link in the description below. And yeah, in a month or so I'll make a review video about the watch and how I felt while wearing it. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody. And don't forget, subscribe button is here, and on the left and on the right you will find videos that might interest you.